Most mastering courses have accessible PowerPoints available. I will show you how to find those accessible teaching materials. From the main course page, select Instructor Resources and then click Launch the Instructor Resources. Clicking on the link will open a new tab in your browser where you can select the option for downloadable resources for each chapter. Once you click on that link, you'll be able to choose which chapter you want to work with. You can see that there are multiple resources at your disposal, including both a lecture presentation and an accessible lecture presentation, as well as images, clicker questions, test banks, and so on. After agreeing to a usage and copyright disclaimer, you can download the accessible PowerPoint presentation for use in your classroom. Once it's finished downloading, you can open it to see the resources aligning with your chosen chapter. If you make modifications to the PowerPoint slides, or perhaps you're creating your own PowerPoint slides and you want to make sure that they are accessible to your students, Microsoft has a feature built into PowerPoint to help you check this and to make modifications as needed. So this PowerPoint presentation has not been revised for accessibility yet, and I'll use it now to show you this feature. Once you're in editing mode, click on the Review tab on the ribbon at the top and then choose Check Accessibility. If you look in the right-hand column, you have information about errors that come up in the accessibility check. You can click on those errors and get detailed information about what is inaccessible, as well as suggestions on how to fix it. A common accessibility issue is the need to add alternative text, or alt text, to images. Although this feature will give you instructions on how to do that, I do want to mention it in this video, as it is something that commonly has to be done. If you right-click on an image, you can choose Edit Alt Text. And then you'll be able to add in the alternative text that would show up for that image. For this image, we can say Map of Panama. You also have an option to check a box that this image is decorative, which means that it doesn't have anything to do with the content, so it's not as important for the reader to know what this is an image of. But you can still type in a description if you want to, so that it will show up as alternative text as well, even if it is just something decorative.